technology, the word has a connotation of like new, novel, and digital even. So we tend to actually hold these two definitions of the word technology simultaneously in our current society. Design group that we're looking at right now, we're not necessarily looking at it as a current society. So when we say technology in this as an overarching term for all technology used throughout history. So my point is it's not always just on the technical skills, it's also more on the soft skills that the young talents possess today that will take them far.
To push the boundary forward rather than just focus on the aesthetic.
Be more open-minded and accept different kind of later technology development and the possibility of using them in their creations.